Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Word of the Day, Milat Hayom, the word is rayting. How do we say rating in Hebrew? So, you can say rating, again a lone word. Everybody will understand you, rating, but please say it in a Hebrew pronunciation, rating. Rating, rating, rating. And there is a Hebrew word, 100% word, midrug, midrug. You see here, Dalet, Resh, Gimel. This is the shoresh, the root of the word. Like the word stair or stairs is madrega or madregot. Same shoresh. So rating in Hebrew is midrug. Midrug, midrug. Want to know more about root, shoresh? You will find links to selected lessons in the description box below: Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב, להתראות בסרטון הבא. See you soon.